A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. We are now starting a new series called Target IB ACIO 2023. And in this series, we have already posted one video on notification. And in today's session, we are going to understand the selection process through flowchart. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin this session. So as I told you earlier that we have already posted the first video, that is notification, where we told you everything related from the post description to qualification required and what would be the salary, the exam pattern and the selection process. Okay. In that video we have not gone into detail about the selection process. So in this particular session I will be covering the entire selection process along with the cutoff, along with the vacancy, how much they will filter, everything we are going to see in this session. Okay, and I recommend don't skip any part because this will be very fruitful at the end. Okay, let's begin this session. Student, whenever there is a notification of an exam, there will be a desire that will make you to apply for that post. From that point onward your journey starts. Okay, so afterwards you start preparing for that particular exam. Okay, and finally at one day you will have your tier 1 exam for this particular ACIO grade 2 exam. Okay, and as I told you earlier, the exam will be objective type. There will be 100 questions in it, 100 marks, and 1 hour will be given to you. Definitely there will be 1/4 negative marking. Okay, and one more thing is that there will be 5 sections. Okay, I will not go through into detail about the syllabus and the pattern. Okay, I will post another video in the upcoming days. Okay, so once your tier 1 exam is there, okay, you have gone for writing that exam. After that there will be one condition called normalization. Okay, normalization is a process where they will apply one formula. Basically that formula is not revealed to everyone. Based on the performance of different candidates at different shift on different day, they will make a cutoff. Okay, they will definitely make a cutoff. So the first thing that the cutoff for getting into the merit for the tier 2 exam, for unreserved the cutoff is minimum of 35. Okay, this is the minimum cutoff. Okay, minimum. Okay, so minimum marks for unreserved category will be 35. For EWS it is again 35 marks out of how many? 100 marks. Okay, and for OBC it is 34 marks, and for SC ST it is 33 marks. Okay, so first thing your target should be to clear this minimum score. Okay, so if you are able to get this minimum score, then only you can proceed for tier 2. Let's see what is the another criteria. If suppose you have not get this minimum marks, this cutoff marks, your journey stops here. Okay, your exam journey stops here. That's it. And if you have more than that marks for your category, then there will be one merit list. Okay, so how will they prepare that merit list? 10 times of vacancy. Okay, I will show you how much for each of the category. For unreserved, 10 times of 377. Since there are 377 vacancies, so 10 times of 377 is 3770 times they will call the people, the candidates from the unreserved category. Similarly with EWS, you can see it is nearly 1300. For OBC it's nearly 2220, and for SC it's 1340, and OBC 1330, and total of 9950. So approximately they will call 10,000 people, and the people who apply for this post will be definitely in lakhs. Okay, that we will also cover in the upcoming days how much people have applied. Okay, So if you get this thing, if you are able to make a merit in these numbers, then you will proceed this. Again, if you're not able to make a merit, then again your journey stops here. Okay, suppose your rank is around 4000 and you belongs to unreserved category, then again your journey stops here. Okay, even though you have cleared the minimum score, but since you're not able to make the merit, so your journey stops there. Okay, and if you have cleared the merit, you are in the people of 995.50, then you will proceed for tier 2 exam. Okay, and tier 2 exam this time will be a descriptive paper, 50 marks and 1 hour. Negative marking, definitely there is no sense. Okay, so again, for going through this tier 2 exam, there will be a cutoff. The minimum marks required for you to go into the merit is 17 marks. 17 marks out of what? 50. Okay, and which is 33% obviously. Okay, and if you are not able to clear that cutoff, again your journey stops. Okay, so you have to look for another notification, another exam, right? And if you are able to get more than 17 marks, again a merit list will be prepared. How they will prepare, let me tell you. They will see the combined performance of tier 1 and tier 2. Combined performance marks means marks of tier 1 and marks of tier 2. And this time they will filter the candidates. How will they filter? Divided by 2. So previously, if you see how many they have called, let me go back. So it is 3770. So filter for the tier 2 filter will be half of this. What is the half of this? It is 5 times of vacancy. There it is 10 times of vacancy. Here it is 5 times of vacancy. So half of 3770 is 1685. For EWS 645. For OBC 1110 and SC 670. And this is not OBC, this is ST. ST is 665. And total of 4775. So here whoever has cracked tier 1 exam, okay, they will be filtered. How much they will filter? They will divide by 2 straight. So if suppose 100 candidates have cleared tier 1 exam, tier 2 for tier 3 shortlisting, they will straight away call only 50 people. Obviously the minimum marks for tier 2 is 17 marks. They should get that, otherwise they will not be called and this journey stops. Okay, again if they are not into this merit, again the journey stops there. And if they have cleared the merit as well, they will be gone for the interview. Okay, and the interview include psychometric test as well. Okay, again there will be merit. So there are 3 merit process, student. Just remember, it will be combined performance of tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. The ratio they have not given, how much they will consider. Okay, again there will be a filter divided by 5. So definitely it will come the number of vacancy. As you can see, it is vacancies that they have given in the notification. Again this is not OBC, this is ST, and the total of 995 people they will select. Okay, out of how many? In the last slide we have seen 4775. Okay, so their filter is divided by 2, but there they have make divide by 5, so it is 995, right? So 995 people they will shortlist finally. Okay, so if you are not come under this 995 merit list, your journey stops here, otherwise you have reached your destination. Okay, so there are 3 levels, student. Okay, so based on every merit you should crack this exam. Okay, so the first level, which I told you, first phase is that you should score minimum marks. Okay, after that your target should be to come under these people. like whatever your reservation is there, okay, 9950 you should come under this thing, otherwise you will not able to get the tier 2 exam. Okay, so this is the flowchart that we have made for you for simplification of your understanding. Okay, so you have reached the destination. Okay, obviously then there will be document verification, your antecedent validation, everything will happen that I'm not covering in this particular session. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you really like this video, share it with your friend who are preparing for this particular exam, and anything you want to say to us, you can write in our comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.